Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, October 22, 2021. Once again, we had another strong day in the market. We have been strong every day this week. We've closed higher every single day this week and beyond into last week as well. So we've been on a very strong rally, and what we'll look at this morning is what has happened historically when you have a week that just goes up. And it's continuing up into the overnight session as well as we start this Friday morning session. So let me go ahead and set it up. I'll show you how I'm going to build it by clicking all four instruments here. The setup will be based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, we are trading higher in the overnight session. We are above yesterday's high in the overnight session. So I'm going to go into the opening filters. I'm going to go gap direction. I'm going to click on up. I'm also going to click opening area, open above prior day high. There's a chance we don't open above prior day high, but we are up there now. So I'm going to go ahead and click that to add it to the test. You can adjust that as we get closer to the open on your own if you want. Next, I'm going to go into the price patterns library, and I'm going to say that we have closed higher 4 days in a row. So that is in the new highs section, which is right here. If I scroll down, let's see, down here at the bottom, day after 4 higher closes. So every day this week we have closed higher, and I want to make that on a weekly basis. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the calendar library, and I'm going to say that it's Friday. So that means all 4 days of the week have moved higher, since this would be looking at specifically what has happened on Friday after 4 higher closes. All right, lastly, I'm going to add some indicators to it. We're in a strong bull market. We are back to those all-time highs now, so we're above a 10 and a 200-day simple moving average. Now I'm going to click View Results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. When you gap up above the prior day high, it is a Friday, and you have closed higher every single day of the week. This is taking place above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. Historically, just 21 samples in the S&P, so not a lot of samples to look at here. We've got 25 in the NASDAQ, 26 in the Dow, 24 in the Russell. If we look at the win rates on them, they are mostly weak. So S&P, 33% of those have closed above the open. And again, small sample sizes here, so these win rates can get skewed a little bit more in either direction when there's not a ton of samples. The NASDAQ coming in at 56%, the Dow 27%, and the Russell 38%. So as a group, they are weak on the win rates. If we look at the average moves, the average win is larger than the average loss in the S&P and in the Dow. For the NASDAQ and the Russell, the average loss is larger than the average win. So we're kind of mixed on the average moves, which way has been bigger historically speaking, but the win rates skew towards the downside. Historically, it's been a little bit weaker scenario when you go up every single day of the week and then gap up above the prior day high on Friday. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.